In this guide, I'll explain how to obtain the activation code for the Aviator Predictor app. Acquiring the activation code is straightforward, but there are a few key points to understand. First and foremost, the activation code is only provided when you sign up for the app. Its purpose is to confirm your account and verify that you own the associated email address. Upon signing up, the 8-digit activation code is typically sent directly to your email. If you don't see the email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. If it's still not there, you can request the activation code to be sent again. However, be cautious. If someone offers to provide you with an activation code, it is likely a scam designed to compromise your information. Always ensure you receive the activation code directly through legitimate channels, such as your email, during the sign-up process. By following these steps and staying vigilant, you should have no trouble obtaining your activation code securely.